Hello, and welcome to the last episode in our four-part series of Myra's Minutes brought to you by AAG. Like it or not, your employees will start to receive a union message soon. You have little time to decide if that message comes from your organization or if you will wait for your employees to learn about a union from the federal task force, whose very existence is to encourage unionizing. Communication is key to keeping a union out of your business. We understand the desire to avoid the topic of unions, as in our 30 years of working as an employer advocate, unions in Florida have never been a real issue. Nationally, there has been a steady decline in union activity as the rights of employees have continued to expand. What's the threat now? Why does it matter to you? Biden has vowed to be the most pro-union president you've ever seen and appears to be living up to that promise. For the first time in nearly 50 years, we have a union member leading the Department of Labor. Most recently, Biden created a federal task force chaired by VP Harris to use the government's full authority to encourage worker organizing and collective bargaining. Employees want to feel valued, empowered, and heard. Many agree we are currently living in a divided nation, which is a perfect storm for unionizing. How prepared are you and your managers for union talk among your employees? Training your managers now on how to report, monitor, and legally respond to employees about unions is crucial. Being proactive now can prevent a union from being successful in your organization. We can assist your business with implementing your anti-union initiative. As an employer advocate, AAG can help you ensure your team is prepared to answer employee questions. We hope you've enjoyed this four-part series. To stay up to date on these topics and more, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.